How's it going, guys? This is Dennis with 21 Grams, and welcome to the second part in our series going over the Beveler set for the leather tattooing machine. Today we're going to be talking about the medium Beveler, the perfect mix of speed and control. If the small Beveler is about details and the large Beveler is about speed, this is the perfect Goldilocks right in the middle. As you remember from the first video in this series, the way to attach this tip is to drop the tip directly into your machine and quarter turn it clockwise. In the same way as before, you can twist the grip, and that is going to change the depth of your needle. With any of these tips with the leather tattooing machine, you're going to want to case your leather exactly the same way that you would if you were doing traditional tooling. You want to make sure that it's not too wet, but just wet enough to be able to take indentations from the tools that you're using. Just like the small Beveler tip, you're going to want to set your machine to 7 volts. This seems to be the perfect middle ground to create control and power. You can always fine-tune this for your needs if you want to slow it down a little bit or if you want to speed it up a little bit, but this is definitely a great jumping off point. First, we're going to demonstrate how the medium Beveler tip works with the leather tattooing machine fine liner. Next, we're going to take a look at how the medium Beveler tip works in conjunction with a traditional swivel knife. Just like the small Beveler tip, you can change the angle of your hand to create different depths of beveling using the medium Beveler tip. This is where your personality really shines, so try different techniques to get the perfect bevel that you desire. Now that we've gone over the medium Beveler tip, we are more than halfway through this series. If you have found this video useful, please stay tuned for the last in this series. Also, please pass this on to at least 1 or 2 friends to share the educational experience. Also, be sure to like and share this video. I've been Dennis with 21 Grams, and I'll see you on the next video of this series.